Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly create automated tasks in Notion for your work or your productivity use in 2024. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Notion account as an administrator. So as you can see here, here's what my dashboard looks like. And obviously for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use a dummy account to show you the tutorial. So what you need to do here is you first need to create a new project. So it can have to do with anything. So I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to select the format type for it. So we can do something like tasks or timeline or board. So it doesn't really matter, but as this automation is already built into Notion. So I'm going to do board here, for example. And what you guys need to do is you need to create a bunch of tasks, for example. So we can do something like, so card one can be analysis, card two can be importing. I'm just making stuff up as I go. And then card three will be uploading. So here we are. Let's pretend that these are our tasks. And here we can tie a couple of things to them, like labels, properties, assign them to people, add an icon if you wanted to. So here's some emoji. So that's pretty funny. And once we have our tasks ready, and we want to make sure that the applications for this would be instant or automated. So the idea is whenever we create a new task, let's say for the next month, or not tasks rather, but projects, you'd want to go to the top right corner of the screen till you see the three dots or the ellipses next to the line of tasks. So this one, when you click on it, there should be a drop down menu where we get to choose what to do with the tasks. Actually, let me do that again. I think it bugged out. Okay, no, never mind. So here's automations. Here's where we want to be. So when you click on automations, we're going to basically create a condition or a function for our Notion where whenever we create a new let's say project, it's going to carry over these tasks right here. So to do that, we're going to give it a name. Let's just do, okay, actually lost it there. Let's do new project, just like so. Add a trigger to it. So the trigger can be when we add a new page. So here's one. So we can do page added, just like that. And then whenever we create a page, it's going to do X action. So the X action will be anything of our choosing. So in this case, we can do tasks or whatever, basically anything that we want. But this actually comes with the paid Notion plan, but you guys pretty much get the gist. You can customize it to do whatever. So if we were to go for the paid plan, this will carry over all of the automations and functions that we need to create this function for our Notion. So we can do something like if I were to add an action, we can do the basic one is just send Slack notification to a certain workspace or channel, but that's whatever. So in this case, we can do create X task and then hit create, save, and we should be done. And that's honestly all there is to it. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully it helped you out, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.